This morning's Bitcoin video ended on a map with two floors drawn under the market. By the middle of the afternoon, both had been traded. Price tonight is 62,816, down 3% on the day, with the 20-hour average more than $1,000 overhead. Here is how it got there. The morning red was short. The 5 legs up from 63,267 had finished at 65,409, and the whole bounce measured as a correction, complete or close to it. So the video signed off on two levels, the floor at 62,742 and beneath it the equality target at 62,528. The session then walked down all day. 7 in the morning broke the overnight shelf, and every hour after that sold into the close of the one before it. No recovery held for 2 hours in a row, and the 20-hour average never came back into reach. At 1 in the afternoon, the selling reached the number that mattered. That hour wicked $25 under 63,267, the origin of the advance, and closed $3 back above it. The 5 legs were gone on the wick first. The next hour removed the doubt. 2 in the afternoon opened right on that origin and ran $844 from top to bottom, the widest candle of the whole session. It cut through floor 1 at 62,742, kept going through equality at 62,528, and printed the session low at 62,466. Then it closed at 62,682, back above equality, still under the floor. Read that candle slowly. It broke one published level, honored a second one published 3 days earlier to within $62, and finished between the two. The next hour tried the downside again and was refused. Its wick to 62,490 was bought back above equality before the close. 4 in the afternoon then reclaimed the broken floor by $73. So, the receipt reads, floor 1, broken and reclaimed on the third close. Equality, wicked through twice, never closed under. That is the session. Now step back because the shape matters more. The large account starts at 66,956. Wave 1 down ran $3,216, and Wave 2 gave most of it back, topping at 65,744. Wave 3 has been unfolding since. Its first leg stopped at 62,742. Its second was the bounce graded this morning, up to 65,409, nearly 89% of the fall taken back, the line above untouched. And today was the third leg introducing itself. $2,943 of decline in 13 hours, a lower low under the first leg's floor, and the equality target hit on the first attempt. That is why equality matters here. Wave 3 equals Wave 1 at 62,528, and the market turned $62 past that number on the first touch. It also explains the bounce into the close. A measured target is where selling pauses, and the reaction was immediate. $465 off the low and a close back above the broken floor inside 2 hours. What does repair look like? If equality is all Wave 3 has in it, price has to hold the reclaimed floor, then take back the origin at 63,267, and then the two averages stacked above it. One late close is the first step of 4. The bear branch is simpler. Closes under 62,528 extend the target to 60,540, Wave 3 at 1.618 times Wave 1. The invalidation has not moved in 4 days. This whole read is retired only above 65,744, and today never came within $1,000 of asking that question. Tomorrow grades tonight the same way tonight graded the morning. Does the reclaim of 62,742 hold? Does equality keep refusing closes? And was momentum near 26 the floor of this leg or only a pause inside it? The morning map came first and the tape followed it 13 hours later. Treat that as method, not prophecy. Measured levels describe where a move can pause, never where it must. None of this is financial advice. Subscribe for tomorrow's audit of today's call, leave a like if the discipline showed, and send this to a friend who watches these levels.